Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit Yahoo Finance portfolio. It is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Yahoo Finance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the option of account. Now simply select it. Then tap onto your account name right here. Now here you can find the option of account info. Now simply select it. After selecting it, there is the personal info option. Just tap on it. Then here you can find all of your portfolio options. Now here is the update profile photo option, update personal details option, and update language. And now from here you can edit your Yahoo Finance portfolio. And that's it. This is how you can edit Yahoo Finance portfolio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.